Come back to my channel once again. With no doubt, October is already closed and we're expecting most of the testnet airdrop will be mining for all this while. They are listing to start taking place from October till ending of the year, and SWAPFONE airdrop is the first one to release an amazing news for us, and we're going to go through everything. Then the second airdrop we're going to discuss is Pin AI. By the end of everything, we'll know when the listing of SWAPFONE is taking place and what you can benefit from Pin AI as well. With no doubt, testnet airdrops have taken over already, and we prefer that over Telegram project. So I've started seeing the results. Okay, if you could observe what Mira airdrop did recently, it's a good sign that network or testnet airdrops have started coming back. Okay, what is the good news about SWAPFONE airdrop? Let's get started. Alright guys, here is swapfone.org official Telegram community, and this is the news they release right now, which says that coming soon. And what is coming soon? The number one is Launchpad and Daily Quiz. So if we come down here and check the news, it says that new upcoming features. Are you preparing for October? It is set to be one of the biggest milestones in mobile crypto blockchain history. The final test phase of the two upcoming features is happening now, and they will be live in October. One of them is SWAPFONE and Daily Quiz by SWAPFONE. Okay, SWAPFONE is gearing for its biggest upgrade ever. So these two features you are seeing are the final features of SWAPFONE airdrop before the listing take place. And what is this Daily Quiz? As we normally know, Daily Quiz in an airdrop make us answer quiz correctly and get points in return. Okay, and secondly, if you can see the SWAPFONE launchpad here, it is a launchpad just like other airdrops normally have, and everything here is a preparation towards TGE and listing. Now let us come back to the SWAPFONE official again. As you can see right here, I have about 809 USDT worth of the USDC mining now. Okay, so guys, if we scroll down a little bit, you can see that from here I got about SWAPFONE of 768. Okay, and we scroll down a little bit, you can see the number of referrals I gave them right now, which is 51. I got most of my earnings from the referrals I give, and this airdrop is going to pay much attention to people that contributed towards their development, like giving referrals and performing social tasks. Okay, so guys, this airdrop, as you can see, we don't know how the listing is going to be, but this is a good sign here. If you see this kind of thing when you are mining an airdrop, that is, you see the value in USDT, you will feel relaxed, but we don't know what they are going to do, whether they are going to increase this amount or decrease again, we don't know. So guys, as you can see right here, what we are mining here as usual is USDS, and as you can see, this is the amount I've mined, and this is the number of referrals I give. So in order to maximize your earnings now, it is important you participate in their daily activities, task, like following them on X and join them on Telegram. Also, we come to this particular exchange here. Here is the exchange. Okay, you see your balance, you see airdrop here, you see referral, you see market, trade, wallet, everything is going on here. And as stated earlier, our SWAPFONE airdrop is a wallet on its own, and it also lists other projects. Okay, as you can see a lot of projects here. CPen, even Pi is listed here. Okay, so guys, if you are paying less attention to this airdrop, since Mira airdrop have blessed people, then it is obvious that other airdrops like this may also surprise us. So it is important you mine it now, since it doesn't require us to make any kind of financial transaction or pay gas fee yet. Let us keep on working on the airdrop. It is free of charge. We are not paying anything. You are just doing online task. Okay, so guys, let us check the other airdrop, which is Pin AI. Okay guys, this is Pin AI. Although it is a new airdrop, but a lot of people are talking about it right now. Okay, and since it is free of charge as usual, you have to participate in this airdrop and start mining. The first thing you're going to do is to click on the link I'm going to drop at the description of this video, and you are going to come to this place and register. After you are done with the registration, this particular place, you enter the code I'll drop, which will earn you extra 20 AI credits. Okay, So we have two AI airdrops now, this pin AI and the other one Hydra AI network. Okay, both of them are good. You can participate in them. Okay, since the year is coming to an end, we don't know what this airdrop have for us. So guys, I'm going to bind the code here. And guys, before we move on, as you can see, they have announced their partnership with BitGet wallet. Do you see it now? So this airdrop just started a few days ago, and they have started talking about the listing, because collaborating with other exchanges is a good sign that the airdrop is about to list. Okay, and also as you can see here, the snapshot is going to take place by October 10, which is 10th of next month. And as you can see, rewards tied to your HIPN level. Okay, so you download the app now, you log in and start doing it. Okay, so guys, as you can see, fundraising announcement, as you can see here, 10 million USDT have been funded. Okay, so guys, let me come over to the airdrop now and enter the link and enter the pin so that we can continue. So guys, I'm going to come over to this place and enter the pin now and click on submit. After clicking on submit, guys, referral code submitted successfully. And all you need to do now is to start working on this airdrop so that you can increase your earnings. Okay, in order to do that, the first thing I'm going to do is to look at the bottom of the screen. You'll see task. You're going to come over to the task and you'll see this, which is asking anything. So what you are doing is that, just like the way you chat with other AIs, you chat with this AI here. Okay, after chatting with this AI, you also earn points. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do now is to enable pin voice. So I'm going to come to this place now. You can see pin AI there, so I'm going to click on enable. So I've enabled the pin voice now, so I'll come back here, then I'm going to switch pin voice. Okay, so as you can see, this is English this thing. So I've switched pin voice now. Here you are going to select any voice of your choice, maybe translate to English. Okay, so that is all you need to do. Then you can now come over to this place now and click on ask. Then here you can now ask whatever you want, then this AI will give you the answer. Also, we come to refer here, referral program. This is where the task of this airdrop mostly is, because they want users on their app. In order to achieve that, they want you to give them referrals. The number of referrals you give gives you a high chance on this airdrop. And in order to do that, you just have to come over to this place and click on copy link. After copying your link, you have to share to the various platforms so that people can join through your link. When they join through your link, you earn the points. Okay, so you come to my AI here, you also see the latest update. Okay, then you come to data pin here. In this particular place, you see data wallet, everything. If you want to connect more, you can connect. Okay, so you see the wallet that are available here. You can connect BitGet. Okay, since they have announced their collaboration with BitGet wallet, you can just connect your BitGet. So I'm doing it now. So after you have connected your wallet, you will see your data score here. Okay, and in this place, you get a score of at least 20 to create your pin ID. So you come over to this place and create your pin ID. That's all you need to do there, and that is all about pin AI. So you can come over to crypto here. You also see the crypto update of this airdrop. So guys, that is this, and this is what I have for you at the moment. If you find this video interesting, consider subscribing. Thanks for